Alkaline is undoubtedly one of the most talented young artists that has recently risen to the top of the dancehall landscape. Yet most mainstream dancehall patrons dislike him, and a lot of corporate entities refrain from endorsing him as they do his mainstream counterparts. So in this video, we take a look at top 5 reasons people hate Alkaline. Number 5. His personality and his treatment of women. Alkaline's treatment of women in his videos have always been controversial, from employing real strippers to S&M torture, to him calling women germs, and him finding new ways to degrade women every day. He even assaulted a female dancer for not dancing with him. Some persons even believe he may actually hate women in general, with his actions bordering on downright abusive. Number 4. His appearance. Over the years, Alkaline has undergone numerous transformations, like a green lizard in an old woman's house. The once innocent looking black boy began to slowly turn pale to white, all the while denying bleaching allegations. First came the contact, then the tattoos, then the skin, then the hair, and some say in the future maybe even the gender. Who knows? Number 3. Allegations of devil worshipping. Whether it's the symbols, the tattoo, or the signs or lyrics, tonight every gal a ton a devil, Alkaline fits the image of a devil worshipper. The use of strange language and evil intent in most of his music has made many of his fans wonder about his spiritual beliefs and ultimate intent for his would-be listener. He has intentionally cultivated a demonic image and persona that goes far beyond shock value, to the point where I truly believe that he has anti-Christian beliefs and motives. Number 2. Copying and disrespecting established icons such as Vybz Kartel. Although profiting from the use of Vybz Kartel's image, Alkaline has repeatedly denied that he has copied anybody's style despite numerous evidence to the contrary. Seen in many images and online photos, the resemblance is sometimes often identical, from his tattoos to his hand gestures to his skin to the mop on his head. Even Kartel has asked him to stop using his style in order to try and run dancehall in his song Chains. Alkaline has often responded in more aggressive and more disrespectful ways. In one of his recent songs, City, he refers to Kartel as dead and that he won't put any bubbles in his head, which means he won't show any respect. Bad Alkaline. Number
1. A needle was inserted in my eye, but I don't really want to go in detail because I don't really want to.
It was done here in Jamaica?
Yeah, but I wouldn't say it's Jamaican because
it was done by a foreigner visiting an artist from overseas visiting, or you brought somebody in to do it specifically for you? You brought somebody in?
Yeah.
To do it specifically for you?
Yeah.
Telling a lie for boss is nothing new. However, Alkaline has gone very, very far. In many interviews, he maintained that his eyes were actually tattooed. Even as an established artist, even years later, he still maintained the lie. And when photographed without his contact lens, Alkaline started to say it was bad mind people who photoshopped a picture of him without his eyes tattooed. Only to see years later for him to come out without a tattoo eye and like, oh, you didn't realize it wasn't a tattoo. Not funny. And that's one of the main reasons people hate Alkaline. Okay guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please share or comment and tell us in the comment section what you think about it. Did we get it right? Is there any details we left out, or is there anything you'd like to correct? And subscribe. Thanks for watching.